Good evening, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thulisile Kolweni and welcome to my channel. So if you are my day one, thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, well, welcome and thank you for joining us. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment down below. And to my day one, you guys know what it is. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the love and all the support. Anyways, so let's get into today's video, but first let me tell you what today's video is about. So today's video is about natural hair, and I'm gonna be doing a slick hair do. Sounds great? Well, how about you keep watching? Yeah, sorry guys, I have a mirror here, so I hope that's not gonna be too distracting for you guys. So what I'm gonna first do is spritz water. So there's just water in this bottle, just so I can be able to manipulate my hair a little bit more. I have to mention my hair, which I probably have mentioned in the previous video. My hair is, so there is hair porosity hair, and then there is low porosity hair. So my hair is low porosity. What that basically means, it means that my hair, it takes time to absorb water, like be saturated into water, and also my hair, it gets very dry and my scalp gets very dry and itchy. So that's basically what it means. And then it also it means that my hair, in terms of retaining moisture, that means keeping moisture into my hair, it doesn't like keep hair, it doesn't really keep moisture very long. So let's get into the video. I feel like I'm talking too much. Let's get into the good stuff. All right, just spritzing water before you touch your hair with. This is the most important step, because when you spritz water into your hair, and make sure that your hair is like nice and saturated into water, it helps you be able to manipulate the hair better without breaking your hair, you know. So this is very important before you touch your hair. And when you massage your hair, please don't use your nails, the tips of your fingers, when you do what I'm doing now. And also when you're washing your hair, don't use, when you're conditioning your hair and washing your hair, massaging your scalp actually helps with blood circulation, which helps in terms of your hair growing. So you should do it a lot more often, and it helps with your follicle as well. So basically, follicle is, your hair follicle is the layer in your scalp that helps your hair grow healthy and faster. So this helps with blood circulation, and that also helps with, you know, your hair growing. And because we all know that, well, if you don't know, your scalp does produce like natural oils, are good for your hair growth. And that's why we always advise you not to use shampoos that have so that my hair is nice and saturated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this comb and then just brush my hair. Like my hair, I did detangle it, but I want to detangle it more. because I've already detangled it, so it's easy, the comb just running through. But if your hair is like, you can feel like your things is getting stuck like this, what you can do is comb your hair like this from the tips to the bottom. I'm gonna take my Afro Botanics hemp seed oil hair construction strengthening butter, which is this here. Because I'm gonna use gel on my hair, I feel like this is like a protective layer into my hair. So I'm just, because gel can be very harsh, and I'm gonna go ahead and slick my hair to the back. I'm gonna take the Eco Gel, the Eco Styling Professional Styling Gel, this one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip in with my hand. I'm gonna do it like that, and then just gonna lay it. Alright guys, there you have it, my sleek back bun, like, and I was able to lay my edges with just the gel, but I will definitely advise you to do get the edge control because it has strong hold than the actual gel, so do get that. And I will also advise, don't put too much gel on your hair and let it stay there for a week, 2 weeks, a day even. Like, I'll advise you the day you do this, you also remove it the same day basically. So you're going out for your date and you want to do this hairstyle, do it, but please rinse it out in the evening before you go to bed. So guys, I am gonna take my Love King stick and I'm gonna lay my edges even more. And I'm honestly trying not for it not to be too tight. And then I'm just gonna sit with that for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then I'll be back. All right, then I am back, and 10 minutes later I'm just gonna take off the Love Kings. There we go, there are my edges laid. Oh my gosh, love it here. So again, I'd like to say thank you so much to everyone who has already subscribed, And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and also comment down below on what you use for what kind of gel, or what is the better gel that I can try. I am willing to try out new things here with you guys. And so yeah, thank you so much for your love and your support. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment down below. Thank you so much. This is me signing out.